Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Base Scan Trading. It is Friday, May 1st. I'm going to take a look here at Unity. This is a trade I'm in right now. I'm long Unity, and it's based on a monthly price chart. So we've been consolidating really since 2023, and we formed this really big inverted head and shoulder. So you have a left shoulder, a head, and then a right shoulder. And we popped through that monthly resistance this past month in April. And we had a nice strong close, so we closed above the resistance. It looks good. So I'm looking for Unity to keep pushing higher here over the next several months. Our first resistance is going to be about 15. Looking for a 15 test, and then if we can get through 15, push all the way back up to like 20 area. So keep an eye on it. Overall, not a bad looking setup here. A nice strong breakout over the last 2 months. Nice follow through, nice strong closes both of those months. So overall, the setup looks good. Stops for this will be down below last month's low. So be down below 950 or so. And really, if you want to give it room and you're trading shares instead of options, stops will be below $7. But that is it for today. Hope it helps. Again, keep an eye on Unity in the next couple of months. The setup looks really strong for more upside. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.